Hey guys, it's Tarek from Timbren Industries at SEMA 2021, and we have a new product in our spacer kits designed for our current SES kits. We've noticed that there are a few customers that we're running into that have SES kits but have not accommodated for an aftermarket lift. This right here will fix that problem. So you have two 1-inch spacers, two 1/2-inch spacers, and the appropriate bolts for the appropriate kit. Now, we're finding customers are sacrificing, they're sacrificing hauling, they're sacrificing the towing performance. You should not have to do that. What we notice also is you should not have to sacrifice function over style. You should be able to acquire both of them, and I can tell you right now, the product itself is backed by Timbren. You can't beat it. This product is designed to work with all our SES kits here. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, 1-800-263-3113, or send us an email, sales@timbren.com.